Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to download Bluetooth driver for Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. I will show you each and every URL and I will tell you how to download and how to install. First open your browser and type, if you want to download it for Windows 7, then you have to type Bluetooth driver for Windows 7 and you can see the first URL. It's Intel official website. Click on it. And now you can see Intel wireless Bluetooth for Windows 7. This driver is available for both system type 64-bit and 32-bit, or if you want to download it for Windows 8 or 8.1, then you have to type Bluetooth driver for Windows 8. Click on the first URL. Here you can see Intel wireless Bluetooth for Windows 8.1 and it is also available for 64 and 32-bit. Or if you want to download it for Windows 10, then simply type Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 and click on the first URL. This driver is only available for 64-bit only. You can see this is for 64-bit only. You need to just click on the download button and you can see the download has been started and done. Now click on it to install. Now click on next. Now click on next. I accept, next. Now you can see the three options. I will choose complete, then install. It will take a few seconds to install. After that you have to go to your C drive and create a shortcut. I will show you after the installation done. Now click on finish. Now minimize this browser. Now go to your C drive. Go to C drive, then open your Windows folder. Then search for System32 folder. Open it. Then you have to search for a file FSQUIRT. Type this on the search option and enter to search. This is the file. Wait for a few seconds. Now right click on the file. Now go to the send option, send to, then click on desktop shortcut. Close this window and here you can see the Bluetooth app. Now you can simply send or receive files from this app or software. I will put the download link in the description box. All these three download links I will put in the description box so you can easily download it. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.